Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. I've been noticing a lot of really cute miniature art that people are making, and I thought I would make some. The ones that we're going to be making today are all inspired by art I saw on Anthropologie. This first one is two little birds. It's called Mama Bear. And for all of these, I am just using white cardstock paper. This one I drew out the design with pencil. And now I'm going to take this is actually a chalk paint, a blue chalk paint, and I'm just going to take it and start filling in the shape. I used a marker to go over the letters. And then I came back with a little white paint just to add a little more detail in the painting. I then glued that on a piece of foam board. I used some wooden coffee stirrers to glue around the edges, and it was done. This one is kind of like I don't know. I'm not happy with how this one turned out, but I did the same thing. I drew out the pattern on the paper, and then I thought I would cheat and use markers on this one. Kind of at this point I knew I wasn't gonna like this. I didn't have the exact same colors that were in the painting. I did my best with what I had, but I really hated it. So once this was done and it was confirmed that I did not like it, I decided to pick out some markers that kind of coordinated together, some pinks and golds, and I did another one. This one to me is a lot better, but I'm still not a huge fan of it. Next is this kind of, to me it gives beachy vibes. I started and just tried to match up the colors as best as I could. It looks kind of rough here in the beginning, but I just keep blending them together, and I'll even just use a little water on my brush to kind of blend the colors together. This yellow, when I first put it on, was really bright, so I do go back with a little like darker yellow and kind of tone it down a little bit. Here I am taking some tan and just kind of blending it into the yellow. And then I just tried to match up. There were some little white marks on the original painting. I just tried to match it up. I think it turned out pretty cute, and I did the same kind of frame on this one. This one gives me beachy vibes too. I did the same thing though. I kind of traced out the bottom with pencil and then just filled it in with paint. I wondered if any of you had seen, you know, like those little free libraries that people have like outside their house. I saw one that was just like that, but it was a miniature art exchange. You could put your miniature art in and people could, you know, take one, leave one. It was so cute. I would love to do that. I did at the end take a black marker and kind of outline the edge of the water and then around the brown at the bottom. In the painting, it kind of looked like there was like some black shading around it, but I'm pretty happy with how this one turned out too. This one is kind of out of my comfort zone, and I did not have the exact colors that were in the original paint, but I think it turned out okay. I did kind of cheat and used a black marker for the kind of, well, it looks like a cursive B to me. This one is kind of interesting. I again drew it out with a pencil and then kind of just went back in with a Sharpie. I did mess up in the armpit area and it looks like they have kind of a hairy pit, but oh well, I think it's okay. I did do the frame a little different on this one. I just glued the wooden coffee stirrers to the front instead of on the sides. This one is a little black and white like flower field kind of vibe. I just used a marker and kind of drew it all out. And at the end, I took some just water on a paintbrush and kind of went over the bottom part of the painting just to kind of blend some of that out. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.